Hey lovely people, welcome back to my big fat tummy. Today I have come with another super exciting recipe from the Indian subcontinent. And the dish is chana masala or chole masala. As we all are a great fan of this dish. So without wasting a single time, let's move to the recipe. Here are the main ingredients. First of all, I have taken about 200 gram of boneless chicken, 2 medium-sized chopped onion, 1 big-sized boiled potato, some green chilies to paste, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger paste and 2 teaspoon of garlic paste, an egg to make bhurji. You need about 3 tablespoons of oil and some spices. Here I have taken about 300 gram of chickpea which I have boiled very properly. Now moving to the preparation. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons of rice bran oil. You can add sunflower oil as well. After heating this for about 10 to 15 seconds, I am adding about 2 bay leaves, adding whole jeera or cumin seeds. This is about 1 teaspoon. After 5 to 6 seconds, I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. Tempering this for about few seconds. Now I am adding the garlic paste, and after sauteing this for few seconds, I am going to add the ginger paste. Tempering this for about 1 minute. Now moving to the next step. Adding the chopped onions. Cook this until onion gets soft. I have cooked this for about 1 minute. Now you can see that my onion gets soft. This is important to know that the entire process should be cooked under medium flame. Now I am adding about half teaspoon of Kashmiri Lal Mirch. Adding 1 teaspoon of chana masala. Again I am going to saute this for about 1 minute. Time to add the boneless chicken. You can see that I have taken some liver as well. This is optional. If you want to skip, you can definitely do so. Mix this very well and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the chicken properly cooks. Now add salt as per your taste. Mixing is done. Now adding about half cup of water. Now I am going to cook this for another 4 minutes. So I am covering this with a lid. After 2 minutes, I am adding about 1 tablespoon of green chili paste. You can definitely add as per your taste. Then mix this properly. Again covering this for another 2 minutes. Covered 2 minutes. Now you can see the mixture has extracted some oil. Time to add the boiled potato. Just saute this for about 1 minute so that the potatoes absorb some amount of the mixture. After doing so, I am taking out all the potatoes. If you want to keep the potatoes like this, you can definitely do so, or else you can definitely do this step. With the help of this spatula, I am giving just a small pressure on the potatoes. This will help to mash the potatoes. Please make sure you have boiled the potatoes very properly so that this can be easily mashed. I have roughly mashed all these. Now adding into the mixture. Doing this will allow the mixture to have a thick gravy. Now I am adding all the boiled chickpeas along with the boiled water. Mix all the chickpeas or chanas with the mixture and cook for about 5 minutes. I am back after 5 minutes. You can see that good color has come from the preparation and my chickpeas has already started absorbing the mixture. Now I have taken some mashed chickpeas. This is the same process which I have done with the potatoes. This will also allow to make a thick gravy. Having chana masala with a liquid kind of gravy is really not yummy. Try to do these steps. Trust me, you will enjoy while having a sip from the gravy. Now I have added salt. This must be as per your taste. Again I am mixing this properly. I can smell the taste of my chana masala. I wish I could share this smell with you guys through my video. So to get such smell, why don't you try this easy recipe by your own? Now I am adding the egg bhurji. ending this preparation by adding 1 teaspoon of roasted kasuri methi. Turning off the flame. Now let's serve this hot. Hey lovelies, please do let me know whether you have tried this recipe or not. And yes, if you love my work, please do let me know in the comment section below. Your reviews really mean a lot to me. If you are a new friend of My Big Fat Tummy, please subscribe to this channel to get the instant updates of my recipes. Please press the bell icon just beside the name of the channel so that my recipes reach you very easily and quickly without any obligations. Thank you for watching. Take care.